Hey everyone, this is AB Miner here. I'm gonna be explaining for those who are like kind of new to Minecraft and the latest, not exactly the latest update, but I'm gonna kind of show you like how you can change your game mode from being like one edition of Minecraft to like a older edition. So like you can be the latest game mode, or else you can be kind of a newer game mode. Traditionally, you always start out like when you start the game, like you're probably brand new to it and you just got the game. You probably start out with it being saying like the latest edition or something like that. But today I'm going to show you for my Minecraft server. We have some new people that are wanting that they can't figure out how to get on because my Minecraft server is 1.11.2. The latest edition has gone up, so they need to figure out how do I get down to 11.1.2 or 1.11.2. I'm sorry about that. So just follow these steps, and it'll be simple to get on. Find out how to get onto the server. So first off, you can already see I have a lot of Minecraft editions here. But what you want to do is start out by going to Launch Options, hit Add New. Now you can give it a name. So say it's a server that you like to play on. You can call it the server. So you could say like it's um let's just come up with some crazy name or something. I'm trying to think of a server I know of. We'll just say server for now. So server. So we called it server. Um, so after calling it server, we have the version. So this is where you need to pay attention. So the latest release is 1.12. So the version for my server is 1.11.2. So I'm guessing all these snapshots were like kind of before the actual latest release. But for the server that I have, it's 1.11.2. So if you're watching this because I said like I gave this to you to watch, make sure you have it set at 1.11.2. Resolution, you can flip that on. You can change it to the screen resolution you have. So say you're a 1280 pixel computer by something else, so 420, but honestly, you got to figure out your screen resolution yourself, and it's kind of a few extra steps to do that. So we can shut that off right now, and it'll kind of come up with an auto rate. Game directory, so this should already preset. Everything that you see here should already be preset. But after you're done with this, like setting up your name and the release edition, you can hit save and it'll automatically be uploaded. I don't need to create another one because I already have it set up, which is saved as 11.2 Minecraft server. So, yeah, and if you click on that when you're in the launch options, it'll pull it up and let you edit it. So I can change that to a different title, but we don't need to do that. So when you're done, you can hit the X in the top right corner here. It's going to get rid of that. Now you can choose your game mode, which is the 11.2 Minecraft server. Okay, why am I doing that? Yeah, save that. We got to get out of this. Yeah, hit the bars. Go to news. There you go. So from launch options, you go to news. Yeah. So from news, you can actually change your game modes by hitting this arrow and find the game mode you want to play in. And we're playing 1.11.2, I'm sorry. And then you can hit the play button and the game will launch. So this is my whole desktop. You just saw this little area here. I just have it pulled up like this until the game loads. This is actually how I'm doing the recording. So you might wind up getting this game output screen that's just giving you like the output of the game, the knowledge that's coming from the game, and then poof, here comes the game. While the game's loading up, let me do something with the computer. I don't know. Okay, here we go. So there's the game now. What I just did was kind of work with the game editor or the screen editor to highlight it. So what I did was go to this screen capture and just highlight this to come up like that. Alright, so for those that are new to Minecraft, you can go to multiplayer here, and this is my server up here, but I'm going to have to show you how you can add that server. So first off, you'll want to go to add server, and put in the title of the server or whatever you want to call it. You can call it Minecraft server like it says by default, or else you can call it something else. Like for mine, my server is called Pickerington Minecraft, but I'm going to be changing that here soon, because like I'm not really getting a lot of people. Like you can see right now, there's no one on here, and I kind of want to make it grow. It might only be 10 people, a max of 10 people right now, but that's because like it's still pretty new. I plan to make it go global in the future, and it will be going by a different name. But so what you're going to do, add server, put in that part, and then you can add the server address, which in my server's name it is called Pickerington Minecraft hosthorde.net. That's how you connect. Then you hit done, and then that'll create a that list that should pull this up showing this icon. Other Minecraft servers, they might just have this icon here, but like you can see here, the IEEE president, that's actually a friend of mine. He's got the Jazz server, and the image he has is actually captured from his game. But so once you have the game loaded, you can select it, and you can hit join server, or on here you can just hit the little triangle, the play button. And say you need to edit your server for some certain reason, like you want to change the name, you can hit edit down here, change the name, or you can change the web address. So that's pretty much everything you need to know on how to become part of the Minecraft server. This is one of the many worlds in my server. This is actually where you can build the next Skywars arena. It's completely creative mode, to where you to get started, you might need to go from this little tiny island here, probably make a bunch of dirt blocks coming off the island. Make sure that you're not like up close to the island, or else it's going to cause it'll kind of cause a little issue. If you're on my server, anytime you see like these big glass structures, that means it's a structure that someone is done with, like they don't want it being touched anymore, so don't mess with the servers that are covered in glass. Usually I will add a doorway to where you can still go in there and just explore, but don't be messing around with the structures. So, but once you're done making a bridge off to where you're going to build from, just make sure you tear it back down so that it's not someone else's way. Looks like someone else has just joined our server. Beast Mode 50504. So that's pretty much everything you need to know right now. Thank you for watching. Please have this tutorial be of use to you. And if you would like to join my Minecraft server, at the moment it is currently called Pickerington Minecraft at hosthorde.net, so go ahead and join that at will. Thank you for watching.